Hello, it's Mimi again from Mimi's Worms. We are here at my house. This is a lot of the damage that the hurricane had done last year that we're still trying to get taken down and fixed. It got both of my hoop houses. So we are here taking those down so that we can rebuild. I've got my small CFTs that I want to put back up, get my garden going again. But we got to get all this mess cleaned up first. Got a lot of trees that's still going to have to be cut down that's died due to the storm. So, yeah, we still cleaning up from last year. It has been a nightmare. Still got this tree on the chicken coop that we still don't know how we're going to get off. The little building was demolished. Just still a lot of cleanup. Anyway, wanted to give you guys a little shot here. We're going to be setting this back up so that we can teach our home composters how to compost and how to use worms for their garden over here in our little CFTs. In the meantime, if you guys want to get our guide on how to start a worm farm at home, if you'll click the link below, we have a lot of guides. We have some courses that you might be interested in. So I would encourage you to just go take a look. And we also have the Worm Squad, which is a free group of worm farmers just teaching and helping each other. Okay, you guys have a wonderful day. Let us know in the comments what you think we should do as far as rebuilding goes. We'd like to hear from you. And if you want to give us any ideas on how to set up some raised beds for our garden and how we should set all that up, I would love to hear from you in the comments. Y'all have a wonderful day.